Hello, here we will look at this visualization which focuses on common tasks performed by children in Haiti. It uses data provided by FAFO and the Haitian Institute for Childhood. The top chart is a bubble chart that shows the frequency of child tasks and the number of children that have reported doing each task. The more children that report doing a given task, the larger the bubble for that task. The bottom chart is a bar chart that shows the percentage of children that reported using the dangerous objects labeled on the bottom axis. Using the child domestic worker status filter, we can see that for female child domestic workers, some of the most common tasks include doing laundry on a weekly basis and washing dishes on a daily basis. We can also see that female child domestic workers are much more likely to use household chemicals than their male counterparts. Finally, it is worth noting that even for children as young as the age of 6, a majority of them still report using dangerous objects for work. Feel free to explore the dashboard to find more insights.